The Ford F-250 key fob for 2017 through 2019 models uses a CR2032 battery. To begin, locate the notch or seam on the side or bottom of the fob. Use a small flat tool like a screwdriver or pry tool to gently separate the two halves of the case. Be careful not to crack the plastic. Once open, remove the old CR2032 battery, noting the polarity with positive side up. Then insert the new CR2032 battery with positive side up. Snap the case back together and test the functionality immediately by pressing the buttons. If the key fob case is difficult to open, apply gentle heat with a hairdryer to loosen any adhesive. Isopropyl alcohol can also dissolve glue. If the remote isn't working after a battery change, check the battery contacts for corrosion. Clean them with a cotton swab if needed. Ensure you're using a quality CR2032 battery. Ford certified technicians recommend OEM equivalents to avoid voltage inconsistencies. If problems persist after these steps, the circuit board might be faulty, requiring professional repair, which can cost $50 to $200.